just shot.
No way. I got that one. You get it?
Where's the other one?
Where?
On the other propane tank.
Propane tank.
What? The other one fell.
Sorry, Josh.
It's going through it and ricocheting out.
Oh shit! Here comes something, guys.
One part's up there by the house.
Right there. Whoa!
By the house, shit!
Did you get that?
Yes, I saw it coming. I was like, "Holy cow!" Oh my god! There is no refrigerator left. Ooh, that thing is.
Chris got one.
Shoot it into that propane bottle?
Yeah, blew the whole side out of it. You want to set the other one back up?
What is that, insulation shit?
Yeah.
No more refrigerator.
Oh my god. That's a bummer.
Oh man, I should have brought that.
Okay, this is what's left of the refrigerator. Oh my god.
Yeah, I made too much of a mess. No more refrigerator. Refrigerator makes too much of a mess because all the insulation.
That looks like the bottom of it.
Oh, the battery's going dead.
Yeah, no more refrigerator.
Yeah.
I got them guys.
Oh, there's peace.
That's the base of it.
Set it up on top of it. I got it.
There you go. Who did that?
Josh.
did.
Oh, the other
my
side,
God.
it actually kind of looks like a car.
Is this the one that blew up?
Yeah,
Just feel how
that's amazing. Oh!
Who did it?
I did.
Not me. One of those two guys.
Who did it? Josh? And y'all got it.